Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add page numbers to a Google Doc using your Windows PC. First, open your document at docs.google.com and make sure you're signed in. Next, click Insert in the top menu, then hover over Page Numbers. You'll see a few quick options to place numbers at the top right or bottom right of each page. Click the layout you prefer. Then if you need more control, choose more options. From here, you can pick top or bottom placements, show or hide the number on the first page, and set the number to start from any value you want. After that, if you want a different style, double click the header and footer where the number appears. Select page number text and change the font size or alignment using the toolbar. Finally, to remove page numbers later, just double click the header or footer and delete the number, or return to Insert, Page Numbers, More Options, and choose Clear Them. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.